Calina Android RAT Pro. Calina is a remote device administration panel for Windows. It connects to Android devices and lists them in the client's grid, showing device name, model, Android version, battery, and connectivity. Right-clicking a device opens the context menu described here, grouped into 6 sections: Managers, Monitors, Admin, Tools, Extra, and Connection. Each option opens a data window, starts a live stream, or sends a one-shot action to the device. Managers Data Views. Files, a file manager for the device. Browse folders, upload and download files, delete, rename, create, and run commands. SMS, shows the device messages in a grid, newest first. Calls, displays the call history with number, name, type, date, and duration. Contacts, lists the device address book, name and number for each contact. Accounts, enumerates the accounts registered on the device, including stored passwords. Applications, lists installed apps with their package names. Permissions, an audit of installed apps and the permissions they hold. Monitors, live streams and monitoring. Screen monitor, live screen streaming at a chosen quality with a one-shot screenshot button. Screen reader, reads the text shown on the device screen and displays it in the panel. Camera monitor, lists the camera modes and can take a snapshot from a selected camera. Microphone monitor, starts and stops ambient audio recording saved on the device. Keylogger, retrieves keystrokes captured on the device into a log viewer. Live mode GPS, live location tracking plotted on an OpenStreetMap view. Silent mode, same GPS view without any on-device indicator. Web browser, live feed of URLs visited on the device, capped to the latest 500 entries. Call recorder, lists audio recordings captured during calls with number, date, and size. Admin device administration. Request admin rights, triggers the device administrator prompt needed for lock and wipe. Lock screen, locks the device screen immediately. Wipe data, remote factory reset, a full data wipe. No confirmation dialog, so handle with care. Tools remote actions. Call number, places a call from the device to a given number. Download APK, downloads an APK and installs it on the device. Show message, displays a message on the device screen. Clipboard, reads and shows the device clipboard. Open link, opens a URL in the device's default browser. Shell command, an interactive remote shell with streaming output. Extra. Notification listener, streams app notifications live, capped at 200 rows. Calls listener, live call log view, refreshing as new entries appear. Phone information, full device summary that also refreshes the client row. Connection. Restart connection, asks the client to reconnect, forcing a fresh session. Block client, closes the connection and removes the device from the list. Disable anti-kill, disables the client's protection so the agent can be stopped. Self-destruct, after confirmation, removes the agent from the device. Use this panel only on devices you own or are authorized to manage, and respect local privacy and consent laws. For education only.